Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. The 23rd edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna, conducted in March 2025, was held between India and which country? Right answer is option A, France. In November 2025, where was the 11th edition of the India Sri Lanka Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 conducted from November 10th to 23rd? Right answer is option B, Belagavi, Karnataka. Which country participated with India in the fifth edition of the Samudra Shakti naval exercise conducted in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Indonesia. The 19th edition of the India Nepal Joint Military Exercise Surya Kiran, held from November 25th to December 8th, 2025, took place at which location? Right answer is option C, Pituragarh, Uttarakhand. Where was the 21st edition of the India USA Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas conducted in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Alaska, USA. The naval exercise JIMEX 25, conducted in October 2025, was held between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Japan. From September 1st to 14th, 2025, the 14th edition of the India Thailand Joint Military Exercise Maitri was held at which location? Right answer is option B, Umroi, Meghalaya. The third edition of the Joint Special Forces Exercise Cyclone, held in February 2025, was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Egypt. In November 2025, where was the sixth edition of the India Vietnam Bilateral Army Exercise WINBAX conducted? Right answer is option B, Hanoi, Vietnam. The eighth edition of the India France Air Force Exercise Garuda, conducted from November 16th to 27th, 2025, was held in which country? Right answer is option C, France. The 12th edition of the Special Forces Exercise Khanjar 12, held in March 2025, was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option C, Kyrgyzstan. Which edition of the Quad Nations Naval Exercise Malabar was held in and around Guam and hosted by the USA from November 10th to 18th, 2025? Right answer is option D, 29th edition. From July 27th to August 4th, 2025, where was the 14th edition of the India Singapore Armored Exercise Bold Kurukshetra conducted? Right answer is option B, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Which edition of the India Russia Bilateral Naval Exercise Indra was conducted from March 28th to April 2nd, 2025? Right answer is option C, 14th edition. The 17th edition of the India Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant, held from May 31st to June 13th, 2025, took place where? Right answer is option B, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. The fourth edition of the India Australia Joint Military Exercise Austra Hind, conducted from October 13th to 26th, 2025, was held at Irwin Barracks in which city? Right answer is option C, Perth, Australia. The fourth edition of the bilateral tri-service HADR exercise Tiger Triumph, conducted in April 2025, was held between India and which country? Right answer is option A, United States. Which edition of the joint military exercise Harimau Shakti was conducted between India and Malaysia in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, 5th edition. In November 2025, the tri service exercise Purvi Prachand Prahar was conducted at which location? Right answer is option B, Mechuka, Arunachal Pradesh. Which edition of the India Maldives Joint Military Exercise Equivalent was held in Maldives from February 2nd to 15th, 2025? Right answer is option C, 13th edition. India participated for the first time in which major Australia USA led multilateral exercise conducted across locations including Shoalwater Bay in July 2025? Right answer is option D, Talisman Sabre. The multinational exercise Sea Dragon 2025, in which the Indian Navy participated, primarily focused on which domain? Right answer is option C, anti submarine warfare. Which country hosted the multinational naval exercise Sea Dragon 2025 from March 4th to 19th, 2025? Correct answer is option C, United States. The multilateral joint military exercise Zapad 2025, which saw Indian participation, was conducted in which country? Right answer is option A, Russia. Exercise Desert Flag 10, held from April 21st to May 8th, 2025, with participation of the Indian Air Force, was hosted by which country? Right answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. The joint military exercise Ulchi Freedom Shield 2025, conducted from August 18th to 28th, 2025, involved which two countries? Right answer is option C, United States and South Korea. The bilateral naval exercise AUSINDEX 2025 was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Australia. Exercise Brahmashira 2025, conducted in the Run and Creek sectors of Gujarat from November 11th to 13th, 2025, was held under which major tri service exercise? Right answer is option B, Trishul. The 14th edition of the India Russia Joint Training Exercise Indra 2025, held in October 2025, took place at which location? Right answer is option B, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Which country led the fifth edition of the multilateral naval exercise La Perouse, held from January 16th to 24th, 2025? Right answer is option C, France. Which edition of the Dharma Guardian joint military exercise between India and Japan was conducted from February 24th to March 9th, 2025? Right answer is option B, 6th edition. ICAME 2025, the inaugural multilateral naval exercise, was co hosted by the Indian Navy and the Defense Forces of which country? Right answer is option B, Tanzania. The 12th edition of the bilateral naval exercise SLINEX 25, held in Colombo in August 2025, was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option C, Sri Lanka. The inaugural bilateral naval exercise Indian Navy and the Republic of Korea Navy was conducted between the Indian Navy and the Navy of which country? Right answer is option B, South Korea. The Indian Air Force conducted the first ever joint special operations exercise Tiger Claw 2025 with the Air Force of which country? Right answer is option C, United States. In June 2025, the Indian Navy conducted a PASEX in the North Arabian Sea with the navy of which country? Right answer is option C, United Kingdom. In which Indian state was Indian Army exercise Yudh Kaushal 3.0 conducted in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. The Indian Army's military civil integration exercise Samanvay Shakti 2025 conducted in August 2025 was held in which states? Right answer is option A, Assam and Manipur. Which edition of the India Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dust Lake was conducted in April 2025? Right answer is option C, 6th edition. From November 17th to 30th, 2025, where was the 8th edition of the India UK joint military exercise Ajay Warrior 25 conducted? Right answer is option C, Bikaner, Rajasthan. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.